If you want to get Dynamic Island on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, then you can first of all go to the Play Store, because we need to download an app that allows us to get the Dynamic Island. Over here we're gonna tap on search and then search for an app that is called Dynamic Spot. This is an example app that allows you to get the Dynamic Island. Feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one for some reason. So let's press open. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. Alright, so now let's press next. Over here we have the list of things that we need to do one by one. So first let's select apps that will be synchronized with the Dynamic Island. So you can tap on all over here in the top right corner in order to select every app, or you can choose only few apps that will be working with the Dynamic Island, so that when you receive a notification, the Dynamic Island will pop up over here. So in my case, I'm gonna choose all. There we go. Now let's go to notification access. Select the Dynamic Spot, and then we need to allow access. Press allow, and there we go. Tap on the draw on screen, and then press allow, and then once again tap on draw on screen and press next. Over here we need to select Dynamic Spot. One more time. There we go. And over here we need to enable Dynamic Spot. Let's press allow, and there we go. Now we can press done. Over here, if you see this Pro offer, then we can press X in the top right corner over here. And there we go. Besides that, we can also go to position in order to adjust the size and position of the Dynamic Spot. The Dynamic Island. Over here, I think it could be a little bit wider, so let me actually change the size a little bit, make it a little bit wider. I think in terms of the position, it is good enough, so I'm just gonna keep it like this, maybe a little bit bigger. There we go. So that's about it. So now if you receive a notification from one of the apps that you have selected over here, you should be able to trigger the Dynamic Island, and it should show on your screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.